There are four different data types in Python: int or integer, float, string, and Boolean. Int or integer. Let us see int or integer first. Any numbers are considered, any round numbers are considered as integers in Python. This can be an integer, and this can be an integer. So, coming to float, the same thing which comes with the dot is float. If you put a point there, that becomes float. Float can be minus numbers also, point, something like that. This can be float. So the difference between int and float is one without a point here, one with point here. String. Anything which comes in quotations is string, either single quotes or double quotes, which considers as string. For example, if you write here hello, this is called a string between quotes. They both are considered as string. You can write single quotes or double quotes. Finally, Boolean. There are two types of Booleans. One is true, the other one is false. These two are Booleans. So basically there are four different types of data types: int, any numbers or integer without decimal points; float, numbers with decimal point is considered as float; string, any words or any letters, sequence of these letters within the single quotes or double quotes is considered as string; and finally Boolean, true or false, is considered